If you want to learn how to make a forgotten 1930s classic cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a cocktail called Angel Face. It's been around since the 1930s. I found this in Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book. However, in his cocktail book it says to shake and serve. I'm going to stir this one down, as I think the fact that it's just all pretty much straight spirits, it will be a little bit better. But hey, you make it however you like. So the first ingredient that it calls for is gin. Today I'm going to use the Great Ocean Road gin. This is very, very close to Geelong, so it's a local gin here. Some fantastic botanicals in it. I love drinking this gin straight. I've never made it in this cocktail, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes, but it's got this really nice saltiness in it. As far as the botanicals go, I've got to read these. It's got juniper, it has saltbush, coastal daisy, kelp, peppermint gum, and local honey. Sounds delicious, and it is. So for those of you Australians, give it a try. It's available, I think, through Paramount Liquor. If not, jump onto their website, give it a try. We're going to use 30 mils or 1 ounce. Tell you what, it's nearly empty. So as you can see, very popular here at the 18th Amendment Bar. Next up, we're going to use 30 mils or 1 ounce of Applejack. I'm using the Laird's Applejack. You can also use a Calvados if you don't have an Applejack. And then 30 mils of an Apricot Brandy. I'm using the Decaipa. So that's pretty much it. 30, 30, 30. However, I think I'm going to add about 10 mils of water to that. Sometimes it's good to add just a touch of water. It'll add a little bit of length, make the drink a little bit taller as well. Now I know that some of you purists are going to say, oh, why is he adding any water to the cocktail? It's only 10 mils, trust me, it is fine. I actually picked up that idea off Difford's guide, so Simon Difford also knows what he's doing. Just going to give that a really nice stir down. Hope you're all well around the world. I know I keep mentioning it. We got thrown into a lockdown with, I think, 6 hours notice yesterday. So 5-day lockdown here in Victoria in Australia. So I've had to come in and clean the bar today. And while I was here, I thought, why not just make some cocktail videos? Okay, so I'm going to just strain that into a Angie Camorra glass. Ooh, that looks great. For the garnish, it is just a orange zest. Just really want to release those oils around the rim, some there for your fingers. That's the angel face. Let's give it a try. Wow. I'm surprised that it's not really that well known, this cocktail. I'd never heard of it until I read it in the cocktail book. It's got that really nice sweetness coming through from that Apricot Brandy. The gin's coming through. I think I've picked the perfect gin for this cocktail. That coastal gin, it's got this really nice element of saltiness to a cocktail, and I'm a massive fan of adding a little bit of Ceylon or salt to a cocktail, a pinch of salt. You don't need to with this great gin. The Applejack working well as well. You could possibly add a dash of bitters if you liked to make it a little bit more complex, but that is a very, very tasty drink. It's worth giving a try. If you've got all those ingredients, make one for our Australian viewers, especially the ones in Victoria. They're in lockdown now. Now's the time for you to start honing in on your cocktail skills for home or for work. Please subscribe, like. It's free to subscribe. Just hit that button for me. You'll be doing me a massive favor. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.